Taking a stand, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, taking a stand. This is a common expression in the English language, often used in both formal and informal settings. Our goal is to understand not just its literal meaning, but also how and when to use it in conversation. So, let's dive in. Taking a stand refers to the act of expressing a strong opinion or belief, especially when it requires courage or conviction. It's about firmly holding a position in the face of opposition or controversy. This phrase often implies a moral or ethical dimension, where the person is standing up for what they believe is right. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. A politician taking a stand against corruption. An athlete taking a stand for racial equality by kneeling during the national anthem. A student taking a stand against bullying in their school. In each of these scenarios, the individual is making a bold statement about their beliefs or values. When using this phrase, it's important to 1. Identify the issue. What are you taking a stand on? Make sure it's a clear and identifiable topic. 2. Express conviction. Show that you're committed to your stance. 3. Understand the context. This phrase is powerful, so use it in situations where strong beliefs or moral convictions are involved. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, taking a stand. We hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning, but the power behind these words. Remember, language is not just about words, but the ideas and values they represent. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.